Did you guys like my new background? It's pretty cool, huh? It is better than the one I used to use, like these. They kind of... Okay. So in this video, I'm going to explain you the step-by-step process on how to create background like this and how to use them in your editing software. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing, let's go on Google and type Copilot. Click on the first link. If you don't have an account with Microsoft, then you have to create one. After that, click on Designer. Here, type anything you like. It is like a text to image kind of a AI. But if you want exactly like mine, then you're gonna try it. Create an image of a YouTuber studio room with a subtle neon glow. Make a statement with bold "Be Nomad." Be Nomad is the text you're seeing here. You can change it to whatever you want. And then finally, you're gonna write, make sure the text is not misspelled. To be honest, Copilot is one of the best text to image tool with the texting, because all the others like Adobe or DALL-E 3.0, Leonardo, they do a lot of misspelling. Copilot is one of the best with that thing. If you want the exact texting as a prompt, I will leave it in the description, so you can just copy paste and replace the Be Nomad with whatever you have in your mind. After that, click on create or hit enter and it will create 4 options for you. If you like any of them, you're gonna click on it and hit download. If you don't like any of these things, you can click on the create again and it will create 4 more for you. There is no limit, it's all free. Alright, once you're happy with any background you like, you're gonna bring it into your editing software, place it below your actual clip, and then you're gonna adjust the size and scaling. If you're using Premiere Pro, it's very easy. You can do it in all this in effect control. And then finally, make sure this is important, make sure you apply a little bit of blur. A blur in the background adds the realistic view, because think about your eye. You cannot see the foreground and the background with the same depth, right? One of them has to be blurry. So if your subject, in this case, which is me, if I'm in the focus, that means the background has to be a little bit blurry. So apply Gaussian blur if you are using Premiere Pro. If you are using any other software, look for the kind of blur you have, like a subtle blur, and then apply into it. Once you're done with the blur, then if you're happy the way it looks, then you're good to export. So this is one of the many AI tools out there for content creator. And if you want to learn more about some of the coolest AI tools for content creators, then make sure you check out this video, because it has some of the coolest AI tools for you. I'll see you there. Ciao.